Okay, does anybody have any like tips, maybe some tricks about like international, like being international, preferably Philippines? This is Liki's first time out of country and first time in the Philippines. So the thing that we are, or I don't know if he's stressing, but what I'm stressing about is our whole entire phone situation. So we recently, a couple months ago, we switched from Verizon to Spectrum. Spectrum doesn't really have like just like a flat rate, like international price to pay. Well, Verizon kind of has one, but Verizon's one is more worse, if that makes any sense. So what we're gonna do is, or what we figured out is the best for him. So for Spectrum, you have two different options. You can pay $100 for a month or something. You can pay $100 for a month, and it covers up to, I believe it's a certain amount of minutes to talk. He's gonna be gone for 10 days, so it's gonna be a certain amount of minutes to talk. You get unlimited text, but the gigabytes is you only get, see, I can't remember. I think for total it's 20 gigabytes for 30 days, but technically he will need it for 10 days, and that's $100. I feel like 20 gigabytes is gonna go so fast, and after you use up those gigabytes, they charge 3 cents per megabyte. So there's like 1,000 something megabytes in a gigabyte. I looked it up, I can't remember the exact, but when I did the math, one additional gigabyte, if he goes over, is $37. So we don't need to be racking up with $37 for every dang gigabyte. So that was one option. Another option is it's $10 a day. It comes with unlimited text. So unlimited text and unlimited talk. So the last time for the $100, that one is not unlimited talk. That one is the whatever minutes you can go by. So once his minutes is up, he can't talk to me no more, you know? Oh my gosh. A lot of people did say use Facebook Messenger, but we're talking about just in case he needs to answer a phone call from somebody. Like, I don't know. I feel like he's not going to remember to be like, oh wait, you gotta call me on Messenger. You know, he's going to answer his phone. He's going to forget. He's not going to think about that. That's going to be too much work for him. He's just going to be like, he don't care at that point. But so the $10 a day is, it's unlimited talk and text. So that's good. We can talk for hours if we wanted to every single day, you know. But then that one only comes with 1 gigabyte per day. 1 gigabyte goes so fast. According to Spectrum, when they checked our plan, so for the whole month, today is, I believe, the 7th. Yesterday, the 6th, just Liki's phone alone, she used up 20 gigabytes. And that was in 6 days. And he has 10 days to be gone. So I'm like, okay, so the 20 gigabytes for the $100, he's going to surpass really fast. Because he is. And then the $10, that's only 1 gigabyte a day. So we're thinking that we're going to do the $10 a day so he can have unlimited talk and text. We don't have to worry about no minutes or nothing. But the thing is, somebody talked to us about like those Wi-Fi. It's a pocket Wi-Fi, like pocket hotspots. But all the phone companies down here that we went to, nobody offers it for international, like internationally. It's only for like United States of America. So that's the part where I was like, okay, we can't do that. But luckily, someone who travels to the Philippines often, they had one for sale, but I still gotta pick it up. She didn't get back to me yet. I hope she gets back to me tonight so I can either pick it up tonight or I can pick it up tomorrow, because Liki leaves tomorrow, so I need it, you know. But so that's the situation with that. So why is the parking so full? So I'm saying, hold on. We're dropping off my daughter to practice. But so with that pocket Wi-Fi thing, apparently once you land in the Philippines, there's a lot of kiosks there, is what I'm told. And they're saying that you can buy an unlimited pass. And the unlimited pass is only, it's for 30 days. They said regardless of how much days you're going to use it for, you pay for the 30 days for the unlimited. And they believe it was 25 to 30 US dollars, which I feel like that's fine for something to be unlimited, and it's like a pocket Wi-Fi. So it's like he just has to connect everything to that. So he can either connect his phone. He's thinking of bringing my iPad so he can watch from movies on the long flight. But that's the option that we're going for. I'm just blabbing for a long time. But does anybody have any like other recommendations or like tips or tricks that they have, or anything like what to do, what not to do in Philippines? A lot of people are saying do Messenger through like the Facebook Messenger, like when he's up there, because apparently like it's very like spotty, the connection, the reception with your phone like carrier, they said. But with Messenger, as long as you're on Wi-Fi, it's good. So that's another reason why I'd rather him have the Wi-Fi, because what if like he can't even get a hold of me, or he's trying to FaceTime and show me something beautiful and he can't because their connection's not working, but then he can't use Messenger because he ain't got no data. So yeah, that's what we're going for right now. And I feel like this is preparing us for Japan, because that's the reason why we got our passports. We got our passports for Japan that we've never even gone to Japan yet. We got it last year. But that's why I feel like he's so lucky. He is going for a funeral. He is going up with one of his really good friends, and I believe his dad, his uncle, and 2 of his aunties, they're all on the same flight together going there. And I think 2, maybe even 3 of them can speak Filipino and understand. Liki and his dad cannot understand or speak Filipino. So, but his friend can as well. So that's what's giving me some like ease, that I'm like, okay, at least he's with somebody that can understand something. But apparently, like, once you get to the airport, they're saying that there's a lot of people that speak like English. But yeah, so he's going for a funeral. We planned this trip within like 6 days, because they had to make it already. So after like they found out like she passed, it was like really fast to be like, okay, they're gonna book it right now, and this is the day they're going, this is how long they're going. So it went by really, really fast. I'll do a separate story time on why I'm not going, because a lot of people are asking why me and the girls aren't going, but this video is long enough. But yeah, please let me know some tips and tricks.